In this video, I will show you a detailed comparison between SendPulse and Moosend, two popular email marketing platforms, to help you decide which one is better for marketers in 2024. For your convenience, the links to both SendPulse and Moosend are in the description below, so you can try them out. SendPulse and Moosend are both powerful email marketing tools that offer a range of features to help you create, send, and track your email campaigns. However, they have some differences that may make one more suitable for your needs than the other. SendPulse offers a wide range of features, including a drag-and-drop email editor, automation workflows, A/B testing, and advanced analytics. They also provide multi-channel marketing capabilities, allowing you to reach your audience through email, SMS, web push notifications, and more. On the other hand, Moosend also offers a variety of features, including a drag-and-drop email editor, automation workflows, and advanced analytics. They also provide landing page and subscription form builders, which can be useful for capturing leads. When it comes to pricing, SendPulse offers a free plan with limited features, as well as paid plans starting at $6 per month. Moosend also offers a free plan with limited features, as well as paid plans starting at $9 per month. In terms of customer support, both SendPulse and Moosend offer 24/7 support via email and live chat. Overall, both SendPulse and Moosend are great options for marketers looking to improve their email marketing efforts. However, if you're looking for a platform with multi-channel marketing capabilities, SendPulse may be the better option for you. On the other hand, if you need landing page and subscription form builders, Moosend may be the more suitable choice. Click the link in the description to try SendPulse and Moosend for free.